Howdy everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's always good to have you here. So this time we've got an updated review for you. And on this video, we're going to be going over FundedNext and take a dive into exactly what it is that they're offering to traders. Now it's been a while since we did a review on FundedNext, and given the constant improvements that they've been making, it's time to do an updated overview of the firm. So in this updated review, we're going to cover the funding models that FundedNext currently has, take a look at its overall rules, trading objectives, really assess the funding feasibility, have a look at what the broader industry sentiment is, and then hopefully by the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of the prop firm and what they're offering. As always, make sure you stick around until the end of the video. I've got an exclusive discount code that I'm sure you won't want to miss. With that said though, let's dive in, check out what FundedNext is offering, what they're all about, and why they might be the ideal choice for your trading journey. Let's do it. All right, so we're over here on the FundedNext homepage, and if you're not yet familiar with who FundedNext are, they are a very highly respected prop trading firm founded in March of 2022 by CEO Abdullah Jayed, and they're based out of Dubai, UAE. They've quickly risen to the top of the industry thanks to its 3 well-structured funding programs, which we're going to take a closer look at, the trading rules, and really everything else you need to know about how to succeed with this leading prop firm. So they offer 3 distinct funding programs, being the TwoStep Stella, the OneStep Stella, and the Stella Lite Challenge. Let's start by breaking down FundedNext's most popular option, the TwoStep Stella Challenge. And this program is designed to identify skilled traders who not only can generate profits, but also manage risk effectively across a 2-phase evaluation process. Traders can choose account sizes ranging from $6,000 all the way up to $200,000 and enjoy leverage of up to 1 to 100. So when we look at the first part of the evaluation, your goal is to reach a profit target of 8% while staying within the defined risk parameters, being a 5% maximum daily loss and a 10% overall maximum loss. There's no maximum time limit to complete this phase, so you can progress at your own pace. However, you must complete at least 5 trading days before moving on to the next step. And once you pass phase 1, you move to phase 2, where the profit target drops slightly to 5%, but the risk parameters do remain the same, 5% daily and 10% overall loss. Now, just like in phase 1, there's no pressure from a time limit standpoint, but again, you have a minimum of 5 trading days required to successfully get through to funding. Obviously, once you get through both evaluation phases, you're awarded a funded account. There's no profit targets once you're fully funded. You just need to respect the loss limits daily and overall. Your first payout as a fully funded trader would be available 14 calendar days after placing your first trade on the fully funded account. And after that, bi-weekly withdrawals are available. Your profit splits is going to start at 80%, can go up to 90% depending on the profits you generate. And there is a unique bonus. Once you earn at least 5% on your funded account, you'll also receive a 15% profit share based on your profits from each evaluation phase. And this is a great incentive for consistently solid performance. Now, one of the key highlights of the TwoStep Stella Challenge is the range of valuable add-ons that you can choose that really enhance the experience even further. So once you're funded, you are eligible as a trader for a lifetime profit split of up to 95%, and that's going to keep more profits in your own pocket over the long term, which nobody's complaining about. Additionally, FundedNext offers a 150% refund of the evaluation fee, which is returned after meeting the necessary payout requirements, effectively rewarding successful traders with more than just capital. Another standout benefit is the removal of minimum trading day requirements once you've reached the funded stage. So this gives you complete flexibility as a trader to manage your schedule really without unnecessary time constraints. Next up, let's take a look at FundedNext's streamlined option, the OneStep Stella Challenge. And this program is tailored for traders who prefer a more efficient route to funding with just one evaluation phase standing between them and a live fully funded account. You can select an account size from $6,000 to $200,000 and trade with up to 1 to 30 leverage. And the goal here is to identify a disciplined, consistent, profitable trader who can demonstrate sound risk management within a simplified challenge structure. The evaluation phase of this program comes with a profit target of 10%, and traders must stay within a maximum daily loss of 3% and a total maximum loss of 6%. There's no maximum time limit, so you're free to complete the challenge at your own pace, However, you are required to trade for a minimum of 2 trading days in this program before becoming eligible for a funded account. Once you complete the evaluation phase successfully, you are awarded a fully funded account without any profit targets going forward. The only requirement is that you continue respecting your daily and overall loss limits. Now, one of the standout features of this program is the speed of payouts. Your first payout is available just 5 calendar days after placing your first trade, and all subsequent withdrawals follow a weekly schedule. Traders on this particular program also receive a 90% profit split on their funded accounts, along with a 15% bonus share of the profits they generated during the evaluation phase, and once they've achieved a 5% return on their funded account. The OneStep challenge also comes with a range of very attractive add-ons, so funded traders can unlock a 95% lifetime profit split, so maximizing your long-term earning potential, weekly payouts, so faster access to your profits. It also includes a 150% refundable fee. And once you're funded, there are no minimum trading day requirements, so really no time pressures there to complete your trades and grow. The OneStep challenge is really perfect for confident traders looking for a faster, more straightforward route to funding while still enjoying strong profits, weekly payouts, and generous refund incentives. Now let's take a look at FundedNext's third program, the Stella Lite Challenge. And this 2-phase evaluation is really designed for traders who want slightly more flexible risk parameters while still working within a structured, disciplined challenge. Account sizes ranging from $5,000 to $100,000 here with the Stella Lite, and leverage of up to 1 to 100. And this is a great opportunity for a middle ground for traders, so to speak, seeking a balance between opportunity and manageable rules. So the evaluation is divided into 2 phases. Phase 1, you have a profit target of 8%, while respecting a 4% daily and 8% overall maximum loss. Once again, no time limit to complete the phase. This time you must trade on at least 5 separate days in order to move on to phase 2. Phase 2, the requirements do become a little bit more lenient. You have a 4% profit target to reach, again with the same risk limits of 4% daily drawdown and 8% maximum loss on the account. And this phase also has no time restrictions, one of FundedNext's greatest assets, but it maintains the 5 minimum trading day requirements before progressing to a funded account. And once you get through both of those, you are awarded a fully funded account, same risk management rules, but with no active profit targets to hit. And your first payout is available 30 calendar days after placing your first trade on the funded account. And all subsequent payouts do follow a monthly schedule here in the Stella Lite. The profit split ranges from 80 to 90% depending on your performance, and FundedNext also rewards traders with a 15% profit share based on profits made during the valuation phase once you achieve a 5% return on your funded account. FundedNext really enhances this program with several add-ons as well, so you can unlock a 95% lifetime profit split. There's no minimum trading day requirements as well once you're funded, lots of flexibility. Your payouts can also become more frequent, shifting to a bi-weekly schedule. And one of the most interesting benefits is the ability to increase your drawdown limit by 2%, giving you a bit more breathing room in live trading conditions. So the Stella Lite Challenge really, in our eyes, is ideal for traders who want a slightly lower risk environment without compromising on growth potential, and with the flexible payout structure and a drawdown enhancements, it's a well-rounded option in the FundedNext lineup. Now, one of the most rewarding aspects of FundedNext offerings across all 3 funding programs is their scaling plan, which gives consistent traders the opportunity to grow their account size over time. Now, to qualify for scaling, a trader must demonstrate profitability in at least 2 out of the last 4 months while meeting one of 2 performance criteria, either achieving an average return of 10% over a 3-month period or maintaining consistent 2.5% monthly return over the course of 4 months. Now, once you meet these conditions, the trader becomes eligible for a 40% increase to their initial account size. So for example, if you're trading a $100,000 account, it will automatically scale up to $140,000 after your first qualifying 4-month period. And you continue performing well, the account will grow again, moving to $180,000 after another 4 months, then to $220,000 after that, and so on. And this structure allows traders to steadily build their capital as they prove their long-term consistency. Another exciting perk for those trading any of FundedNext challenges, once you scale your account for the first time, your profit split automatically increases to 90%. And this is giving you even more reward for your performance. So the scaling plan is designed to not just motivate and support committed traders who are really focused on long-term growth, not just short-term success, but helping disciplined trading and steady results. So you're not just keeping your funded account, you're actually leveling it up and growing. So what's really making FundedNext different from some other prop firms? What's truly setting them apart is the well-rounded and versatile approach to trader funding. A lot of prop firms stick to 1 or 2 challenge formats, but FundedNext, as we can see here, offers 3 distinct funding types. They introduce several competitive advantages, including those add-ons that boost profitability, unlimited timeframes, bi-weekly, and even weekly withdrawal options. They really do have something there for everyone. Because they are a trader-first approach and trader-centric firm, this really helps them differentiate from a lot of other industry-leading firms out there, giving lots of flexibility, flexible evaluation conditions, scaling opportunities. The firm truly creates a comprehensive path to funding success. So whether you're looking for a fast-track funding, long-term scaling potential, or a low-cost entry point, FundedNext has a challenge really built to match your needs and style. So there's lots of positives there from FundedNext, but is getting the capital actually realistic? When we evaluate any prop trading firm, one of the most important questions you should ask is whether the trading objectives are truly achievable. A firm may offer attractive profit splits and large funded accounts, but if they demand overly aggressive returns with limited drawdown tolerance, your chances of success can drop dramatically. When we're looking at the two-step challenge, the path to funding is highly realistic in our eyes. The profit targets are modest, 8% phase 1, 5% phase 2, makes this challenge more forgiving than many others in the industry. The OneStep challenge also presents a realistic path to funded capital with just one evaluation phase. You've got a 10% profit target, and that also aligns with the industry averages. And for those considering the Stella Light challenge, the odds of securing funding remain very favorable, and this is based on the lower than average profit targets, 8% in phase 1 and 4% in the second, alongside slightly more lenient risk limits of 4% daily and 8% total loss. So taking all of that into account, FundedNext is a highly attractive option for serious traders. With their 3 different funding models to choose from, they all offer realistic trading goals, flexible timeframes, and competitive payout structures. The firm really strikes an excellent balance between challenge and opportunity. So if you're looking for a prop firm where success is genuinely within reach, then FundedNext could be a potential contender for you, really worth serious consideration. Another major question though traders often ask before joining a prop firm is simple, and that is, do they actually pay out? With FundedNext, the answer is a clear yes. Since coming into the industry in March of 2022, they've built a strong reputation within the broader trading community, backed by a large number of traders who have successfully reached funded status and regularly qualify for profit splits. So if you're working with the two-step challenge, you're eligible for your first payout after 14 days. One-step challenge, they come even faster. Your first withdrawal can be in just 5 days. And then the Stella Light challenge is slightly different, but still competitive. And your first payout becomes available after 30 days. When it comes to verifying these payouts, there's no shortage of evidence. FundedNext has built a transparent online presence where you can find real trader testimonials and payment proof. You can check them out on Trustpilot. There's traders regularly sharing their experience working with the firm. We'll jump over there very soon as well. You'll also find payout certificates, trader interviews, live testimonials on their official Discord server. Always encourage you to jump into the social channels for any prop firm you're considering, as well as their YouTube channel and Instagram page. So this level of visibility and transparency is truly one of the reasons FundedNext stands out as a trustworthy and proven firm within the prop trading space. From a tech front, unlike many other prop firms that rely on third-party brokers, FundedNext has taken a highly professional approach by developing their own in-house brokerage, being the FundedNext Server. This proprietary infrastructure allows them to maintain full control over trade execution, spreads, overall platform performance, ensuring that their traders experience tight spreads, reliable execution, and true market conditions. By eliminating the need for an external broker, FundedNext is increasing transparency, but also delivering a smoother, more consistent trading environment. And when it comes to platforms, FundedNext also gives plenty of flexibility here. You can choose to trade on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, or CTrader, each of which caters to different trading styles and preferences. And because they are using a proprietary FundedNext server, provides traders with access to a huge range of trading instruments, including Forex pairs, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, plenty of flexibility for various trading styles and strategies. Depending on the asset class and the challenge you're actually enrolled in, you can benefit from leverage of up to 1 to 100. So that's a bit of an overview of their funding programs, the instruments, the platforms, the tech front. A couple more things we want to cover as we go over FundedNext, one of them being education. FundedNext goes beyond funding by actively supporting trader development through its educational resources. The website here features a well-structured blog you can go into and check out lots of categories, including market analysis, important announcements, Forex trading guide. There's plenty of inspiring stories on there from traders around the world as well. Another standout feature is their commitment to accessibility. They offer a free trial challenge, so allows traders from anywhere in the globe to really test their strategies and experience the firm's trading conditions in a simulated environment without any upfront cost. And this makes it easier for new traders to build confidence and understand what they have to offer. And on top of that, all of their users gain access to a meticulously, professionally designed trader dashboard. And this platform provides real-time performance metrics, clear tracking of objectives, risk management, really everything you need to track your progress and stay aligned with the firm's requirements at every single stage. Now, when it comes to community trust and user satisfaction, FundedNext, they've got a fantastic score and plenty of positive sentiment around them. So if we jump on over here to Trustpilot, we will see that at the time of recording, they have well over 30,000 verified reviews with an excellent median score out of 5. And this really highlights that the firm has built a loyal and satisfied user base. Even more notable is the large percentage of these that are reviewing at a 5-star rate. Now, of course, I understand Trustpilot not always full of positive people, so there's good, bad, and everything in between. But when you're considering a prop firm and you're doing your due diligence, make sure you go through and you assess all of the feedback, the good, the bad, and everything in between. But as we can see, overall, the sentiment for FundedNext is very, very good, and for good reason. So to wrap things up, look, FundedNext, they're standing out as a reliable and professional prop trading firm, lots of flexibility for their traders. They're a top-tier choice in our eyes for traders seeking a flexible, transparent, well-supported pathway to funding, extremely strong foundation, multiple challenge formats, and a clear trader-first mission. FundedNext rightfully earns its place among the most respected prop trading firms in the market today. Well, that's what I have for you on this one regarding FundedNext. Now, hopefully you found it enjoyable and informative, most importantly. Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback on the prop firm, your perspective, especially if you're someone who has worked directly with FundedNext. And before you go, make sure you give us a thumbs up on the video, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel here. We've got other social media pages and a website, so you don't miss a thing regarding the prop trading firm industry. Also, before I forget, as promised, you can check the link below, and that's where you can get your hands on the discount code for FundedNext and their funding programs. That's just another perk of watching our videos and staying until the end. Great to have your viewership. As always, guys, happy and successful trading, and I'll see you on the next video.